Hello mates! Here we're going to unbox a souvenir snack that we got in Australia. This item is for meat fans because it is Kangaroo Jerky. Let's first have a closer look at the package and ingredients before we are going to start with the unboxing. Now let's open the package. The pieces are a little bit thicker compared to beef jerky, and the taste is also a bit more intense. If you like meat jerky snacks, then you're going to like this one as well. The price that we paid for this package was around $5 Australian. See you soon on another food seeing episode.